Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel Trendy-videos. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about OrchaJump heels. You will find popular colors like black, nude, red and metallic tones. OrchaJump also offer a great selection of heels. They have trendy style that can elevate any outfit. When it comes to OrchaJump heels, some popular style include block heels, stiletto heels and wedge heels. Each style offers its own unique look and can add a touch of elegance to your outfit. If you are looking for a OrchaJump heels for a formal event, I would recommend their stiletto heel styles. When it comes to color option for Orcha heel sandals, there are a natural color like black or nude. So viewers, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.